हेलो गाइस, मैं हूं सिद्धू और मैं आज पढ़ने जा रहा हूं द वॉरेन बुफेट वे चैप्टर अ 5 सिग्मा इवेंट पेज नंबर 11। सो स्टार्ट। ओमाहा Omaha where has often remains today. The following years Buffett made one of the most famous investment, one that survived to boost his already growing reputation. One of the worst corporation scandal in the 1960s occurred when the Allied Cured Vegetable Oil Company, led by Tino De Angelis, discovered it could obtain loans based on the inventory of its salad oil, using one simple fact that oil floats on top of water. De Angelis regard the game regard the game. He built a refinery in New Jersey, put in 139 5-story strong storage. New Jersey put in 139 5-story storage tank to hold soybean oil, then filled that taken with water topped with just a few feet of salad oil. When inspectors arrived to confirm inventory, Allied employees would clamber up to the top of the tanks, dip in a measuring stick, and call out a flash number to the inspectors on the ground. When the scandal broke, it was learned that Bank of America, Bank Leumi, American Expresses, and other international trading companies had backed over $150 million in fraudulent loans. American Express was one of the biggest casualties of that became known as the salad oil scandals. The company lost $58 million and its share price dropped by over 50%. If Buffett had learned anything from Ben Graham's, it was this: when a stock of a strong company sells, billing one it was this: when a stock of a strong company is still below its intrinsic value, act decisively, Buffett was average of the $58 million loss, but what he did not know was how customers viewed the scandal. So he hung out of the cash registers of Omaha restaurant and discovered there was no drop off in the use of the famous American Express Graham green card. He also visited Survival Bank in the area and learned that the financial scandal was having no impact on the sale of American Express travelers checks. Returning to his office, Buffett pro- properly 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 invested $30 million, was whopping 25% of the partnership assessed in share of American Express. Over the next 2 years, the share tripled, and the partners needed a cool $20 million in profit. It was pure Graham's and pure Buffett. In the beginning, Buffett confided the partnership to buying undervalued securities, and Carlton Marger arbitrage announcement. Undervalued securities and Carlton Marget arbitrage announcement, but in the fifth year, he purchased his first controlling interest in a businesses, Dempster, the Dempster Manufacturing Company, a market of farm equipment. equipment. Next, he began buying share in an allying New England textile company called Berkshire Hathaway, and by 1965 he had control of the businesses. सो दोस्तों, आज के लिए बस इतना ही। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट डे। ओके बाय।